are you ready? Today we are going to make our own slime. I'm so excited. But first we'll have to take a wax paper. So I have my wax paper on. Let's get our materials. Okay guys, so I have my materials on. Let's see, what do I have? I have some 3 tools so that I can mix the slime. I have a mixing cup so that I can make a slime in this cup. Then I require a container. So I have this container so that I can save my slime. And then I have some colors so that we can make our slime colorful. So I have blue, purple, black, green, red, and yellow. And I have some glitter. Ooh, so confetti ones. And this some other ball confettis. Then I have some extra glitter pipes, yellow, red, green, and some silver. Okay, and I have silver confetti, then some colorful confettis. Okay, so this is Super Slime Mix to make our slime, and this is Slime Activator. And so guys, I thought that I'm going to make some yellow slime today. Oh no, my tools. Yeah, so let's start up. First, we'll have to take Super Slime Mix and fill it to the half of the mixing cup. Let's do it. Oh yeah. Okay, let's start. Okay. Till the half. Okay, now. So I fill it till the half. So, next we'll have to add our color to it. Oh, look at this. It looks like it. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So now we'll have to take our mixing tools and mix it up. Mix. Oh, look at this. It's like glossy yellow. Woo, cool. Let's get to here. Next, we'll have to add Slime Activator. Oh yeah. Okay, while you're adding, you'll have to keep mixing. Okay. Oh, I feel it. Oh, it's turned into the slime. Ooh, so gooey. Oh yeah. Let's keep it aside. Oh, look at this. How stretchy is slime. It's stuck. So let's take our knife tool and cut the slime through. Cool, so awesome. Okay guys, I have my container ready, and so let's take out this squishy slime. Ooh. Look at this. Ouch. It's so tight. I'll fill it. Okay guys, there is some more slime left. Okay, let's get this out too. Oh, so good. Okay, let's get this out. Okay guys, it's kind of difficult for me to get the slime out, but still I'm gonna try to get this every bit of slime. I don't want to lose one bit of slime at least. Ooh. That's not outside. Okay guys, so I got all the slime out. Ooh, there's some of the slime left on there still. Ooh. Okay, let's touch the slime. I can't wait anymore. Ooh, look at this. Look at the slime. Look at the slime. It's so amazing. Okay guys, this slime turned good. Ooh, it's so squishy. Squish it. Okay, I feel relaxed with this slime, and this slime turned out good. Yay! I made my own slime. Yay! Okay guys, this was a do-it-yourself project, so I enjoyed it a lot. I hope that you guys also enjoyed